What's up guys and welcome to another adventure. This is gonna be my Christmas Day vlog and Pasko pero duty tayo. And as usual, maulan ulit. Slippery yung road and dito ang silaw-silaw ni Kuya, naka-stationary naman siya eh. Kailang beses ko siyang hinaibim para lang mag-signal pero ayaw talaga. Anyways, don't let negativity overcome you guys. Remember, it's the holidays. I really wish you guys a happy and Merry Christmas sa iatag sa kapamilya and everyone. Transition tayo agad guys sa hospi and it was somewhat of a benign duty from 2 to 5 a.m. And nandito tayo, checking out kung may pasyente ba dito sa back. And already set up my bed. Yan, tutulog tayo mamaya. Special thanks to Doc Sakate and Doc Benitez for the gifts. That was the end of our shift guys. Si Tia Arlene asking about our channel. And sinabihan ko sa kanya, just follow RN Moto Adventure.
RN Moto. RN. Oh, registered nurse mo.
Ito din yung isang tropa natin.
Picture ka natin.
Ito Banji.
Kaya na sa vlog. Kaya na sa vlog. Oh, ano.
Ito pa tayo sa idol sa Mark. And last interaction with T1G and dito.
Kaya na sa vlog day.
Anyways, that's it for me guys. Have a great Merry Christmas to your family. And pauwi na ako sa farm ko. Konting montage na lang. Thanks for watching.